Hello children, welcome back to our online class as we are doing the chapter number 4 in EVS, taking care of my body. We had completed this, the way I clean my body, the way I keep my body clean, page number 23 and also 24. So we will do the continuation part for this. My body needs exercise to stay strong and fit. I play games. Playing games is a good exercise. So you can see in the pictures, children, in the picture, the boy is playing in the ground with football. Okay, so playing is a very good form of exercise. It gives fitness, it gives increase our blood circulation, and it keeps our mind active also. And playing and exercise, both. The boy is doing exercise here, you can see, and he is playing with the football. Playing and exercise both gives you strength and happiness in your mind. Playing games is a good exercise. I visit the doctor when I am ill. If suppose you are ill and you are not well, then where do you go? You go for a checkup to a doctor to know about your health and well-being. Next, my body needs plenty of rest and sleep. I go to bed early at night and wake up early in the morning. So everyone knows, you have also heard also from your elders that early to bed and early to rise is good for everyone. Okay, so your body needs rest and good amount of rest. You need to sleep on the right time and also get up early in the morning. So if you can sleep early, then only you can get up early with your fresh mind to carry on all the activities whole day. Okay, now let's do this exercise. Tick the good habits and cross the bad ones. Here you can see 3 pictures. In the first one, the boy named Ravi cleans behind his ears while having a bath. So it is a good habit. We must keep our body parts clean, even the body parts which are not in front and behind. Like the boy is cleaning his ears behind, okay, while taking bath. So it is a good habit. So I'll mark it as tick. Right. Next is the boy named Adil often pricks his nose with his finger, which is not at all a good habit. It is a bad habit. Should not always put your fingers and hands in mouth, eyes and nose. It is a very bad habit. Okay, should not do. Next, Sonu washes his hands properly before and after meal. So you children, you know this habit very well. This is a very good habit and you must follow it. So Sonu is also doing, so I will give it correct. Understood? Next, fill in the blanks. Let's do this. First one is, we should wear dash clean or dirty clothes. So children, you know we should wear clean clothes. So here I will write clean. Okay. Next, I drink plenty of dash water or cold drinks. We must drink plenty of water, not cold drinks. Water is good for health. Okay. So I will write here water. Next, I eat food that keeps me healthy and helps me grow. So grow what? Weak or strong? We eat food to be fit and strong, not weak. So I will write here S-T-R-O-N-G, strong. So children, you will also do like this exercise in your copy. Okay. Let's do this also. Do's and don'ts to keep my body neat and clean. Means do's means what should we do, and don'ts means what we should not do. Okay, to keep my body neat and clean. Never rub your eyes. See, correct. We should not rub your eyes That's why it is cross. Brush your teeth twice a day. It is a good habit. We must brush our teeth while getting up in the morning and also before sleep at night. So it is correct. Watch TV from a safe distance. We should not sit in front of TV and watch. It will hamper your eyesight. So to save your eyes, you need to sit in certain distance and watch TV. So it is correct. Do not put anything inside your nose or ears. Yes, right. We should not prick our nose and ears with anything. Not even with your finger. Okay. So, yes, we should not do it. So, it is cross. Always wear neat and clean clothes. That too you know, children, that we should always wear neat and clean clothes. It makes us look smart and also keep us healthy, neat and clean. Understood, children? So, after this, you will study at home nicely and practice all the things in the copy.